Like, this is not gonna work. We really need to go.
Alright, it's recording.
Oh.
We're vlogging.
We're vlogging.
Tell everyone what we're doing. Kathleen's carrying everything because I'm too little.
We only have one bag. We're going to the top of Bear Mountain. And we're gonna find a camping spot.
And then what are we gonna do if there's no spot up there?
We're gonna find a random spot in the woods to camp because we're too tired to walk back.
And show them how big my backpack is.
Oh, okay.
Don't look at my hair. It's too crazy.
Turn around.
This is all I got.
Oh, yeah. Keep turning.
Blessed. Crazy hair.
Beautiful. Doo-doo-doo. Alright.
I hear a gaggle of people. We must go. Taking a break because I'm dying. Also waiting for this one. Oh, there she comes. The sky is so blue. How many more miles left, you think?
To the top or to the site?
Both.
A mile to the... Actually,
8/10 Bear Mountain, a mile and a half to the campsite.
yeah.
You're so cute. Alright, let's go. We're back. Alright, babe, tell them how we're cooking it and what are we making? She's very focused.
We're making rice and eating sandwiches. I'm simmering it right now.
Look at our tent.
Oh yeah, do your tent tour. This is...
It's facing you.
Okay. Oh. This is the inside of the tent. Wait, can you take a picture of me with this so I can send it to Ethan?
What's for dinner?
Rice. But it's kind of like risotto because it's a little watery.
But it's so good and it's keeping my hands so warm. Are we happy?
Oh yeah. It's a little cold.
What a cute view.
Oh, that's nice. We should take a picture of that.
Got a journal, some books. Hello, it's about 7:30 at night and we are about to read our books before we go to sleep. But look at Kathleen, she looks crazy.
Oh, I look scared. I'm just keeping warm. My nose was cold. Hey.
I can't even see you because of the light.
Look at that. Nicole took Benadryl because I almost fell asleep before.
I got really scared that she was going to fall asleep before me, so I panicked and I took some medicine.
But this is why, because Nicole's bag was the weight of one feather. Oops. And mine weighed 30 pounds, and I had to carry it for like 5 miles. My back is literally
Listen, I tried to
swollen.
carry it for like 3/10 of a mile and I wanted to die.
She started crying. She literally started tearing up, and I was like, alright, never mind, I'll take it.
That was not to be shared.
Come back over here. No, I didn't mean the camera. I meant you.
Okay, we're gonna go cuddle and read now. Bye.
Can we take a pic?
Say bye.
Adios. It is like 7:40 in the morning. We are heading out. I'll show you the little area we stayed in. Say hi, Nicole.
Hi, good morning.
It's like 40 degrees out,
It was 36 when I woke up.
so let's get a little look at this tree over here.
We made it to the top. And it's so pretty. And we're sitting on these rocks.
Hi. It's sunny. So pretty though.
We finally made it to the top, and we look crazy, and it's too sunny to look into the camera. But tell them a little bit about our journey to the top.
It was really steep, and it was longer than we remembered. It took us like an hour to climb up this like really steep hill of rocks, and
It was awful, but it was so much fun, and I'm very proud of both of us.
Nicole lost her hair last day, so she took her t-shirt off and tied it in her hair.
It's true. It's true. And we're very excited about all the fog that we can see clear out. We wanted to vlog before people came. Okay, bye. I'm gonna have a snack now.
Okay, bye.
I lost my hat and I'm very sad.
What happened?
I bought it in New Zealand 2 years ago. And it was made out of New Zealand wool. And I lost it on the hike on the way down.
We went back 3 times to look for it, but no luck. But look at this view.
Trying not to sulk because of the view.
All right, we gotta run.
Woohoo!
Table that you planned